welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. How are you today? Me, I'm still coughing a bit, but my voice is getting better now. And for today's video, I'm going to cash stuff our bills binder, our holding binder, and a little bit of our month ahead rent. So before I start, please give a like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, or either share so that it will help my channel grow. At of this moment, my subscriber is 325, and I'm looking forward to grow into 500 subscriber this year. Actually, my target this year is 300, but and exceeded, and I'm really grateful to all of you who share and subscribe on my channel. And as a I cannot thank each one of you, but and I cannot do a giveaway like others do, but all I can do is from the thank you, and from the bottom of my heart, I'm really grateful to all of you, and I hope God bless you all with by helping me and helping others too. So without further ado, let's start. I already do my monthly budget, and I didn't show it in camera, but I will let you know. So the budget, our budget started on June 10 because the salary in Hong Kong, sorry for my nails. Our salary together comes on the last week of last month and the first week of the following month. So in our case, I didn't I just wait for the whole salary come, and that's the time that I will cost up it. So but I already planned how to do it. So this is the budget. So the money that I need to cost up today is 25,200, and here's the list of the expenses, variables or fixed is together with this. It's 21,210, and for our debt, it's 2,790, 1,090 for the property debt, and 1,700 for one of our credit cards. And what you can see here is 1,200 is the sinking funds. This is what's left after all the bills payments and allowances. So actually, I'm thinking about if I do the sinking funds or I will do the no sinking funds saving challenge. So I will figure out later, but for now, let's stop this and let's count this money. I just get my calculator so that it's more easy. Okay, 1,000, 2,000 plus 1, 2, 4, 19,500. Let's recount, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19,500. Yeah, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 2,800 $400 notes. 50s is 1, two, three, four, 400. And this is 20s. This is $100 each. So one, two, three. So 300. So the money that you see here is only, it's 25,000. Why? But our budget is 25,200. So there's already a deduction of 200 for my husband's allowance. So let's start. Let's put it aside and get our, as you can see here, I don't put a mandatory savings as payment for ourselves because I put it all in our property debt so that there's enough money for me to go on this month. So there's a for proper property debt. I only need 1,090 to pay for the whole debt, for the whole amount. And if you didn't see my last video regarding my unstuffing of mini saving challenges, the total amount of the money that I unstuffed there is 1,410. Yes. And all of that goes to the debt. And for this June budget, I also allocate here 1,090. And you know what? This is the last payment for our property debt. Yay! Congratulations to me. Yeah, I'm so happy about it. I'm so happy about it. If you're happy and you know it, sing a song. Thank you so much for bearing with me. So for property debt, you will not see this envelope next month, and hopefully I can maintain that. So I only need to pay our credit cards if we use it for our purchasing. So for savings, it's skip. For rent is our receipt for the rent. It's still 8,900. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8,500. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8,900. For remittance is 2,100. It's more now because there's a project that running through in the Philippines that we need to give extra fund. So that's why I put it in remittance. So 2,100. For my credit card, it's 1,700. 1,700. So my credit card and my husband credit card bills always pay in full every month. So we don't get in the trap of paying extra interest if you didn't pay it for the whole amount. Okay. So for my husband, it's skip. We don't have it. So for electricity, the electricity came last month. So the in July it will come again. The bill will come again. And I allocated here 600. I just put it in here, but later on I will transfer it to this blue envelope. So maybe we can do directly there. Because if I put it in here, maybe my husband touched it. So better put it in here. So it's just on hold and leave it here. And for gas is 250. Let's get 500. And also put it directly here and get 250 back. If you ask me why I'm doing it, it's I already fully funded our gas fund, but as I said, the bill we don't need it yet, so I just put it here on hold. So for phone bill is this is fully funded, and for water it's 150. I also put it in here. Where is it? Here. So the water bill will come on July as well, next month. And for month ahead rent, I allocate here 300. And now we have 6,800 plus this one, so it's 7,100. So I will just update it later on. So I need at least 9,000 here to fully funded it. So for now, this is my next next goal to fully funded my 1 month ahead rent. So the following mini saving challenges that I will make, the money will go here. Hopefully I can finish it in few months, but let's see. So this done. Yeah, put it aside. And this done too. Sorry. The next one, this is our holding wallet or binder for our weekly budget. So miscellaneous, it's $50. So this wallet is the most busy wallet because I always open it. I always checking how many coins left, how many. So for my hobby allowance I give it every day. So this is a busy wallet for us. For hobby, you already get 1,000 or 2,000, 200. So I just put here 1,000. Let's get this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,500. 6, 7, 8. So 1,800 again. 500, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. For food, it's 2,500. 1, 2, 2,500. Oops, why I get it? Still on camera? Yeah. For groceries, it's 2,000. 1, 2. So for our monthly dining out, because we don't eat out, at least we only eat out two two times a month. And if we dine out or eat out, my daughter's is the one who pay for it. So for me, I paid twice. per month for our eating out or takeouts. So I allocated here 500. And for phone load, I monthly we spend 550. If there's an extra, so I use it as a saving challenge now. So I allocate here 550. So we don't have 50. So need to go back here and change some and get some smaller change. So let's get 20 then. So 550. Okay. What else? 500 for my wallet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 500. And the rest is for, oh, there's a 300 for saving challenges. 310 for saving challenges. And the rest, oh, how come it's not enough? We'll go to, no, I think I made a mistake. Anyway, it should be 1,200. I miss 500. Maybe I'll just mix it up here. And 1,200, either I will put it on my our sinking funds, or I will do the extra saving challenges. So I will check in here what happened, but I know it's the money is correct, so there's nothing to worry about. Just hang on. Hi, I'm back. So I figured it out. I put, instead of putting here 1,010, I put 2,010 because I have I remember I have two $1,000, but I put it in here. So I didn't notice that I put 2,000. So what happened is, so I deduct here, I take out here 1,000, but 500 of that is for my mom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I allocated 500 for my mom, my nanay. So I just put it on the side first, and another 500 is for the saving challenges. So the total of the debt that I need to pay is 2005, so I put 5 here because I've been so excited to pay off the debt. That's why. Sorry about the mess. So if the total of this is 1,200, I'm on my right track. So this one I put on my saving challenges. Okay, it's 310 for my mini saving challenges. So let's count this one. So 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. So 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1,200, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1,200. So this will go to either sinking funds or saving challenges, but let's see what, I think I will put this as on a saving challenges. Just follow me on my next video, so let's see where I will put this money. But this money, make sure is for the mini saving challenges, this 310. So thank you if you reach this at the end of this video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And I hope I inspired you, and I hope you learn from what I shared to you. This is our finance journey. This is our budget. So normally you will see me doing this monthly, and I hope don't stop following me, don't stop watching my video. Thank you so much. Hope you have a good day and a good night. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now and see you later. Bye, lovelies. Bye. Be grateful. Be humble. God bless.